Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. And in light of our webinar on the trap trade, guess what this trade is? We were definitely expecting GDP to be volatile and possibly difficult to trade because it has been a tough trade. We do have what we call a spike sheet. This spike sheet gives us an idea of how big our tiers, our orders should be for the trade. In other words, how far away from the current price should our orders be? If they're too big, we won't get filled. If they're too small, we could get stopped out. Also, if you notice, there's a lot of elements to the news. Core durable goods was trading, Thursday's jobless claims, PCE price, some personal income and spending. So there was a lot of news. That's good for trap trades because it does lead to reversing and changing a direction. Remember, a trap trade is an event we feel will reverse, will make our money when it changes direction. Our orders are called tiers. They go on the chart 5 seconds before the news comes out. The orange arrow is the current price. If the price goes up, we sell the market. If the price goes down, we buy the market. The news comes out immediately. Gold explodes up. That's what we're trading. The gold futures using NinjaTrader explodes up. Now I'm just waiting to cancel my tiers. So my outer tier, there's a cancel outer tier button so I can move my stop to safety. Let me show you what I mean by that. We get filled. The price shoots up, immediately reverses. And I'm thinking already, I've got to get this order out of the way. It only filled one of my orders, not both of them. So that second order's in the way. I've got to cancel the outer tier. Cancel it. Now I'm going to move my stop down to safety, into profit. And I'm going to watch the price. It's moving down. I want to make my target bigger so I can get more profit. I trail to the top of the candle. I'm keeping an eye on that target. I'm going to make it bigger because the price keeps moving down. This was a perfect trap trade. So now I'm trailing down as the price is giving me a profit. Further and further down. Watch as the price, the candle goes to the downside. That red candle is how I'm making my profit. Now I've made more money because it moved down, so I keep trailing. What happens is, though, the price pops back up, takes me out of the trade, but not until I've made over $400 profit on that fantastic trap trade. GDP, our trade of the week, trading gold futures in the NinjaTrader platform. There's no reason to be afraid of the trap trade. Every trade sometimes doesn't work. The trap trades have a very high level of success. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room. Thank you.